In today's tech time, let's see about the loops with example in real life. Isn't it irritating when we have to repeat the same instructions, especially when we are working with the computer which is developed for our convenience? In programming, we have loops to solve this problem. A loop is a command used to repeat a part of code until the desired process is complete. Loops are essential for many of the repetitive tasks commonly required in programming. Let us understand this with an example. It is easy to make one pizza. But what if you need 100 pizzas for a house party? Instead of doing the same steps over and over again, you would like to prefer to do it once and have it automatically repeated until 100 pizzas were made. This will make your task simple. Programmers often need to repeat the same code hundreds of times in one program. They use loops to write the code only once and repeat it as many times as needed. Types of loops. There are different types of loops we can use in programming. For loop, while loop, do while loop. For loop, when your program needs to keep doing some tasks for the specific no of times, we use for loop. While loop, anytime your program needs to keep doing something, repeat the same or similar action until something happens and you don't know in advance when or if that something happens. A while loop is useful. Do while loop, it is similar to the while loop except for the fact that it is guaranteed to execute at least one time. The do part is executed without checking any condition, and while part executes like a normal while loop. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more information.